First, insert the large spring into the hole in the ratchet body. Then insert the ball bearing into the hole on top of the spring. Slide the small O-ring onto the reverse lever. Then insert the small spring and spring cap into the hole. Insert the reverse lever into place through the back of the ratchet body. Apply a minimum coat of grease to the drive gear and pawl. Then place the pawl on top of the reverse lever. Then carefully install the drive gear into the ratchet body. Next, place the gasket over the drive gear. And finally, place the cover plate over the drive gear and secure with torque screws.